Hi guys, my name is Manya Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yesterday on my Instagram, I have asked you all guys whether I should film my next video with my mom or my dad. And of course over here you can see my dad won. And yeah guys, without wasting any further time, let's get started.
That's alright. Hush.
Okay, so guys, today's topic is asking your parents questions that you are generally afraid to ask. Okay, so guys, here I have my list of questions and yeah guys, so without wasting, I am asking the first question. What do you think about makeup?
Means?
What do you think about makeup? Like boy wearing makeup, girl wearing makeup, having too much of makeup.
Makeup, in my point of view, if it is a real requirement to be a makeup, then it's really needs. For example, if Manya is a YouTuber and so she wears some of the light makeup before each and every of her videos that I know. I also did some very small role in movies and serials also. So at that time also makeup and did some small makeup. Well, in my point of view, makeup is good. If it is really appropriate and it makes you charming and glowing, then it's really good.
Okay. So according to you, makeup is a good thing, right?
In a proper manner. If you apply so many things and if you want to show off of your which does not suits to you, then it's not a good. But it's an appropriate manner, and if it is fits to your occasions, then it's good.
Okay. Moving on to our second question. What are your thoughts on periods or menstrual cycle?
See, it is my message to the society and people. In earlier days, we used to think it is not good. We do not disclose this into the society in open. But nowadays, I request everybody because we know the education's levels is increasing day by day, and we are familiar with the scientific reasons about this whole thing. So when awareness is there, then people must have to think and change their mindsets towards these whole things, and we need to accept this. This is body structured of a feminine, and it is a periodics and cycles need to clean their bodies, or it is a requirement. So accept this like this way. When we had a beard, men, and they need to make a shave to look into the like this, this is something generated from the bodies and it needs to clean. So I request everybody to see this as a part of and a difference between feminine and masculine, and accept this thing. Don't be club this with religions, unnecessary, like in earlier days. Unnecessary, it looks like a religious issue, and they were restricted to go from here and there and moving there like that. There was a condition, that was the necessity of that ages, because there were no such infrastructures available. So it was meant for that purpose. Nowadays infrastructure is very well, facilities are there. So please don't make it and take it as a normal thing.
Yeah, he's right. Told about shaving. So my next question to you is about shaving. What are your thoughts on girls shaving, like hand and legs and underarms?
Yes, it is also required. In my point of view, it is nothing. Even though nowadays boys are doing the shavings, right? Some of the parts which earlier they were not used to do that. So it's a completely private and personal things, and I accept those things for individuals. If individuals like to do this, then they should do. Even in every girl. In India also, and in past also, we do this all things. It is an ancient age we are doing this, and it is nothing. Only the methodology of shaving has been changed from decades to decades. Otherwise, everything was there. Updated. It is latest.
The next question: what, according to you, is a perfect date to start dating, or else even perfect age according to you to start dating?
So at least I would like to say this. if you are matured enough, and for that psychological your age is very much dependent on your answer. Some more people are too mature to handle these sort of situations, because dating is a thing, you know, that it involves two people, right? It is, I think, a gateway or starting of involving two people. So if you are serious about these all things, and if you are matured enough to handle those the consequences in future after this dating, whether it is a positive or negative, then I think that it should be enough. But at least in my point of view, it will be 18 years, right?
Okay, so according to you, 18 years is perfect age to start
Not
dating?
perfect. I told you, if you are 16 years also, if you feel that you are matured enough to handling the consequences, if you are attached with someone, sometimes it not goes well, it not them, and if you are matured enough to also conquer the situations, see everything positive, then there is no need. But when you are mentally stable to handle those things, then it is the perfect age to do. But in generally 18 years of age, where people seems, or scientifically it is learned that people are matured enough to handle such consequences. That is otherwise if you are 15 years, 16 years, doesn't matter.
So I'm meeting, you know, na?
I know.
Okay, so guys, moving on to our fifth question. When was your first girlfriend you had in your school days? Like at which standard? Like you were in 8th standard, 7th standard, 6th standard, or even crush? Like first crush and first girlfriend.
See, crush were started when I was in the class 9, right? It was there when we used to understand the things, and it's a body hormonal situations have been changed, and you know the things very well. It was the class 9, but the girlfriend I took it took very much longer time for. I had some friends which was a girl, but it was not a girlfriend, right? I would like, they are friends. Still they are with me, and some of them are still. I have a very good relationship with those girls also. But girlfriend I made, the first girlfriend which I made to your mom, right? And you know the age also. So
Yeah.
at the age of, I think when I was 25th age or 26, I made the first girlfriend. When I
She was
serious.
even 18.
Yeah,
So
when I
you
20,
took that 18 above. Yeah, I can make
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I did above.
So moving on to our next questions. Have you ever tried any drugs? Like I know you do have drinks and alcohol.
See,
but
would like to proper distinguish between the drugs and drinks, right? If you are talking about drugs, I never had, and I would also recommend all of the viewers who are watching this, please never go into the even trial of the, even tasting of the drugs. It is really things which is, I think, which will ruin your life. So please don't take it seriously. Never ever, even when you are very young and you have some friends or crowds who will prompted you to take these all the things. But please make yourself very much clear that I am not going to use those things in even tasting or some milligrams or grams, even for a change or even for a taste. Please don't make it. So no, I am not in favor of drugs, even not in it.
So what are your thoughts on living relationship?
See, I would like to use this word that people should have a living relationship, right? Should have. Why I'm emphasis on should, because from my point of view, it is completely my personal beliefs that if you are living together, right, with someone, and there is no commitments. First of all, there are no rules when you are living together. You would be living your what you are actually, and you are also living with someone. So that makes you a perfect bonding. Ultimately, you have spent several years or several months in living relationship, and you know each other very well. Their positives and negative points also very well. After a period of 1 year or 2 years, 3 years, you will find that this may be a perfect match or may not be. Then you have another option that we should have to. There is no any commitment, so we can go ahead with breakup, or we should have to be in a relationship which is legally available, like a marriage. So that's why living in the relationship.
So you favor.
I favor.
living-
I favor.
living
It's
relationship.
individual personal life. Yes, they should have to.
So, what are your thoughts on me or my sister marrying in another religion or caste? But not caste because we do see you and mom, but in another religion.
My point of view, I don't want to go any casteism, but the only thing is that wherever there are so many rituals and the bonding of the society, the rules are changes from one caste to another caste. So when you are going to marry a person whose caste or religion is quite different than you, then in future you both need to be both need to be respect each other's rituals and this everything. Even not both of you, your both families also, both societies also should respect that. If this is an ideal situation, then any caste or anything will be worked out for a longer period of time. This is only the things where people are should work over there, and society should accept for individuals.
Yeah. So moving on to our next question.
How much question you are going to ask me?
Last question.
Every question I will charge you 100 rupees.
So how will you react if you find out I was a lesbian? But I'm not lesbian.
First of all, if I as a being a father, if I know this that my girl is a lesbian, it will give me a first shock. Very, 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 to be honest. Because why? Because it is my expectation that in future my daughter should have their own family and their own children and coming to me and disturbing me in future. That is all the expectation. So I see that it is breaking my expectations. So first I will be in shock. Immediately I will realize, okay, that's very good that she has discussed with me and disclosed with me. Now I know what she is, and I will accept this, and I will help her in the way that she would not be feel anything bad about this all things. Then I will take care that me or anybody who is related to her will accept what she is. That's all.
Okay, so that is all for today. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video.
No. I will marketing. I know what you are going to tell. Please, guys, if you watch this, if you like this, please press a bell button, subscribe this YouTube channel of Manya, and also ask your family members, friends to subscribe this. She needs more and more subscribers. Okay, bye.
Bye.
You know these are all questions you are going to ask me. At least tell me what you are going to ask.
Then I would not have your original reaction.
But then how should I reply and how should I react
That
immediately?
should be inside you.
That's okay, but at least you had made your whole preparation. You had good makeup, questions ready, everything, and you are going to open me opening me all the while without any giving chance. Just give me paper.
Okay, so in my school, in my examination teacher do give me the paper.
Okay. 50 rupees. 100 rupees. 150.